Yo, what is going on? It is Monday, January 5th, 5:50 p.m. and today was a day where no trades were taken. I did not like the way price moved at all. Ford tested 3 trades, break even on 3 trades, so let's get into it. So starting off today, oh shit. Starting off today. All right, my bad. Leave this, ignore this cuz I'm back on Fundit, so got my M&Q loaded up, so I just am going to leave the chart like this. But coming into the day, I was pretty bearish, but I wanted to see clear bearish order flow because of all of this bullish order flow that we did have overnight after all the news and everything. Look at this. Where do we open up at? So fucking 275-point pump. I'm not gonna fade it, but I definitely was bearish because of these sell side targets. So yeah, and we also had a pretty fucking huge SMT right at near open. With this previous day high, if we take a look right here, ES had ran it, NQ was pretty big SMT'd with it, so I was looking for an internal external SMT, like to pair up and then take a short to it. So right at open, all that we had was a 30-second right here at open with the previous day high SMT. Would have been this 30-second market order, 44-point stop to these equal lows and call it a day, which would have broken me even because I know myself, I'd go break even once we do get under all of, let's make sure. Once we like SMT with like this sell side, all of this, I'm going to go break even, and then this candle would have tagged me out. And then, yeah, then after that, we chopped around a lot. It was no clear indication on where price wanted to go. We had this SMT. We had a bunch of like other internal SMTs. Let me get over here. Like throughout, where's open? Okay, like throughout, ES was staying above all of these highs. As you can see, ES was above here. ES was above here. So we had a lot of bearish SMTs formed on NQ. However, NQ seems as though it did not want to go up whatsoever. It like chopped up, as you can see. No inverses. We had, I think we left behind one 5-minute. Yeah, we left behind this 5-minute. And I was looking to take something out of it to continue short, like to those equal lows. The fuck? All right, I'm gonna have to bleep that out so nobody got my account. That was random as fuck. It's probably because it's open on my laptop still. If it does it again, then I'll sign myself out. All right, so we don't, yeah, like, it would have been cool to get something into this 5-minute, but as you can see right here, would have just been break even. So yeah, now see chopped around. We had 10 a.m. news, which we left the data high, but we had no inverse. This is the 30-second. As you can see, the 30-second had no inverse. So data high, we just ran it on both assets without getting an entry. I would have taken a liquidity sweep and then like a fucking SMT with like one of these lows because I believe we had an SMT. Why does ES just not want to cooperate? My ES chart does not want to cooperate. Yeah, I wanted us to get like below here. Oh, we were on ES. But regardless, no, that was the news candle. So I wanted this to get like below here. Yeah, regardless, we would have had nothing. Then we were internal SMT'd. I was low-key okay with taking like this short. I don't know why, but I was like, I don't know. I liked it, but how many candles did it take to inverse? A lot. It was just like, I think I was getting overly like aggressive kind of shit. Like it just made sense. Like I was still so stern on that bearish order flow, but never amounted to anything. You can see how long it fucking took to inverse. And then here's when I actually had a trade idea that I wanted to take. It was a 30-second. And then I started talking to one of the teachers at work. Yes, I'm back at work. It was this 30-second. Would have been break even with these equal highs and just taking it for 1.5 RR. So right here, these equal highs would have been the break even point, especially because we SMT'd with this high. Well, we were already SMT'd. Were we? Yeah, we had gone above this high. So we broke the SMT down here. Yeah, regardless, we were SMT'd. But yeah, I just wanted to run those equal highs, take the equal highs, which were 6 points away, get an easy and quick break even, and just run it to 1.5 RR, which was also, if we take a look all the way over here, I apologize how far we got to go. This was actually a 5-minute right here. Targeting unfilled gaps, of course. So add a little bit of that mechanical. within it. There was like an unfilled 5-minute all the way up here. Or was it a 15? What was I targeting? It was a 5, yeah. Okay. But just take profit on my 1.5, take my little small piece of the pie, and call it a day. But as you can see, we got absolutely nothing. So that was the first forward test. The second forward test was another similar thing. We had a bunch of stacked equal highs. Honestly, what happened? Why didn't I take this? Damn. Oh, I know why I didn't take this. So I was willing to take this. Was I a dick for a tick? How many? I was a dick for a tick. Damn. I was. Damn. I indeed was. Would have broken me even anyways. Because it would have been to target these equal highs. I should have entered this. I gotta readjust the trading back at school. No SMT, right? SMT here? No. SMT here? No. SMT here. We had that one over here. So no SMT is what it was. Rejecting off of nothing. Yeah, we had no 5-minute gaps. No SMT. That's what it was. No bullish SMT, so I just faded it, and it would have broken me. Where is it at? Would have broken me even. I know myself. That's why I didn't take it. Oh, it was a 30-second with no SMT. I like my SMTs with my 30s. I'm not going to hold you. I do like SMTs with my 30s. Damn, this video is really boring today. Like, I feel like I'm boring today. Where the fuck did it go? Oh, yeah. Just no SMTs was the problem. And then we had this other trade over here to target the newly implemented 2 sets of equal highs. As you can see, we had 2 bang bang equal highs. Beautiful 1 minute. The only problem was 1 equal lows. And 2, we closed this candle. I was going to take this regardless, even though it was fading those equal lows. We closed all the way up here. And these were equal highs that we ran. I wanted to see us close within here, run these equal highs, go break even. Take profit at 1.5 actually. And then run these equal highs up here as well. Take profit 1.5, ultimately targeting this unfilled 5-minute from buttfuck nowhere. And yeah, that would have gone smoked. Then here we had this beautiful 1 minute. Not beautiful, but we had this 1 minute. That was SMT'd at the high. We then ran up. I think we still held the SMT over. Yeah, we still held this SMT with this high. And then I seen how long it take to inverse. So like right 11:11, I got off the charts. Yeah, right here. Once we rebroke that high and closed above it, I got off the charts. But it ultimately closed. I know Will took this trade and he closed out early because of the chop and accumulation. But it would have almost, I would have been break even on it. And that was my day. A lot of forward tests. I'm not mad that I didn't take. What did I wait on? My model specifically. What did I get? Nothing from my model. I like SMTs. I do. From back testing, that is what I like. I like internal liquidity pools. Equal highs, they were there. Never got my entry. I like strong external pools. Data high, we never got an entry. I like London Asia lows, never got an entry. I know TGR took a trade to those, but they never worked out. It is the end of the first day of the first official week, and I made $0, but I didn't lose any money. Just gonna remain motivated. It's a fresh restart, and I'm gonna give myself 2 months to get my first payout. I believe in that. I'm a different trader than I was just a month ago, so that's just facts. But yeah, 3 would have been break evens today. Mounted to nothing. That 30-second, I know why I didn't take it was because there was no SMT. That's just, yeah. I need to take a trade tonight. I forgot about that. I'm going to take it like at 10 o'clock. Just take my little L. Completely forgot about that. But yeah, that's about it for today. Catch you guys tomorrow. Peace, love, positivity. I promise you, bro. By this quarter, I'm getting that payout.